Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to install Gigabyte H410M S2v3 driver in Windows 11. So you can search, download, and then first open, right click to open this tab. So driver OS, choose Windows 11 and then install like all chipset, LAN, all is everything here. So firstly you can change Windows 1064, Windows 11 64 bit, and then you install. Otherwise it's not supported driver in this version. Like if you download 10 and installing 11, so this is not supported. So that's why you can change. uh, okay guys, thank you. Normal, then download it here to download and then install and restart your computer.